everyone! Have you ever heard of Hinamatsuri? Today I have a special limited edition Hinamatsuri snack to show you. But before that, let me tell you a little about that beautiful Japanese tradition. March 3rd is Hinamatsuri, also known as Girls' Day in Japan. It's a day families play for the health and happiness of their daughters. People display Hina dolls and eat special foods. Do you want to know about that? But did you know this festival has a long history? It actually dates back to the Heian period, about 1,200 years ago, and was inspired by a Chinese festival. Originally, people believed that dolls could observe bad luck and protect their children. Over time, it became fun and colorful celebration. Yay! So during Hinamatsuri, we eat special eat with deep meanings. Let's take a look at some of them. First, chirashizushi, scattered sushi. This colorful sushi dish is full of lucky ingredients. For example, shrimp symbolizes a long life. Lotus roots represent a bright future, and beans mean hard work and success. Next, hamaguri soup. Hamaguri clams are special because only the original two halves fit together. This symbolizes a happy marriage and a good relationship. Next, hishimochi. These three layered rice cake, mochi, have important meanings. Green for health, white for purity, pink for protection from evil. Next, shirozake and amazake. Adults drink shirozake, a sweet white sake made by rice malts, but kids enjoy amazake, a non-alcoholic version. Both drink a big part of the festival. And last one, hina arare. These are maybe two kinds. In Eastern Japan, they are sweet and crunchy, while in Western Japan, they are savory like senbei. The colors represent the season and bring good luck. So, ta-da! Actually, I have the real thing right here. Can you read this package? Sorry. Hina arare. It says hina arare. And you can see the pictures. Hina doll and hina arare itself. So, can you see? And this small, round, and colorful real snack, cute. This particular one is sold in Kansai region, originally Osaka. But it seems to be a mix of Eastern and Western Japanese traditions. It has sweet flavors and soy sauce flavored one, like senbei, and you can see this brown one, and even chocolate. Okay, let me open it up. Let me see. Can you see? Doesn't it look delicious? I'll eat them on your behalf. Yeah. Maybe this is soy sauce flavor. Maybe it's a chocolate. Pink one. Pink. Now let's check out the special Hinamatsuri snack I found. Yay! Look at this adorable packaging. It has pictures, Hina dolls, and hishimochi here. And then there are 3 different flavors can see. This one. Can you see? This one, peach flavored. The middle, chocolate with a biscuit inside. And here, strawberry and vanilla flavor. It is designed to resemble hishimochi, don't you think? So, which one do you want to try? Let me know in the comments. And look, this package actually transformed to mini Hina doll display. Amazing! Okay, let's try put it together. But I'm not actually good at crafts. Do you think I can do it? Let's try putting it together. So cute, isn't it? Write down my name, Yuki. Yay! I did it! Now I have my own mini Hinamatsuri display. Yay! Isn't it so cute? So that was a little introduction to Hinamatsuri. I hope you enjoyed learning about this Japanese festival. Have you ever tried any of these foods? Let me know in the comments. いちごバニラ。ビス。ふんわりピーチ。うん。ごちそうさまでした。If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification bell for more fun Japanese culture and language content. Thanks for watching until the end. 最後まで見てくれてありがとう。See you next video. じゃあまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。またね。バイ。